Equivalencies are used in meez to help us bridge the gap between units of weight, units of volume, and units of each. Meez automatically knows how to convert within one kind of unit. For instance, for weight, we know there are 28 grams in an ounce, and for volume, we know there's 4.25 cups in a liter. But converting between different types of units, like weight to volume or weight to each, can change ingredient to ingredient or recipe to recipe. That's where equivalencies come in. In this video, we're going to explain how equivalencies impact costing specifically. The reason equivalencies are important to resolve costing issues is that we often buy products in a different unit than the way we use them. For example, we may buy scallions by the bunch and use them by weight or volume. Or we might buy a case of carrots priced by the pound and use them by the piece. So how does meez know how to accurately cost items when they're used differently than how they're bought? The answer is the U of M equivalency tab. So let's take an example. We're going to look at a recipe for our mozzarella sticks. Pretty straightforward. We have 8 mozzarella sticks on this plate with 2 ounces of marinara sauce. Notice when we click the cost tab on the mozzarella sticks, we can actually see there's an error message next to the mozzarella sticks. And if we hover over that, we'll see that it's telling us that we're missing a unit conversion. This brings us to a really important part of meez. In order to calculate cost, meez will first look at the quantity and the unit of measure of the ingredient in the recipe. And it'll reference from there that ingredient's page. If you click on mozzarella sticks, it'll bring us to the ingredient page for that product, and we can see that the purchase unit of measure is in pounds. In this case, we notice the way we're buying it in pounds is different than the way we're using it, which is by the each. To resolve this, what we're going to do is go to the ingredient page for the product and click on the U of M equivalency tab. We're going to click Edit and then toggle off the standard weight to volume conversion. From here, we can customize the equivalency for this product. So in this case, we can type in the number of mozzarella sticks in a pound, which in this case is 24. Now that we've done that, we hit Done, and we've set the equivalency between weight and each for our mozzarella sticks. Now we just have to go back to the recipe, and we can see the cost is now coming through perfectly.